Hello everyone, welcome to English with Chris. Today we're going to be looking at some beginner phrases or ways of saying hello and greetings. First of all, we have hello. Hello is a greeting that can be used at any time of the day. So if you see a friend in the morning, you can say hello. If you see a colleague at midday, you could also say hello. And even at night, if you're out and about, you see someone that you know, you can also say hello. Very useful word to know. Next, we have good morning. Good morning. This greeting you can generally use from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. So if you see anyone between these time frames, you can say good morning. If I saw my friend at 9 o'clock in the morning, because it's between these two times, I could say good morning. Okay, now our next one is going to be good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon is usually used from 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. I actually use this one mostly until about 5 p.m., but this depends on where you live, so it might be different for you. But we'll go into why this could be different on the next slide. So generally speaking, if you see a friend, a colleague, anyone really, between these times, you can say good afternoon. So if you saw your friend at 1 o'clock, so 1300 hours, you could say good afternoon. Our next one, good evening. Good evening. This one is often used after 6 p.m. or when the sun goes down. So, as I mentioned in the previous slide, for me this is usually around 5 p.m. So from 5 p.m. onwards, I would probably start saying good evening. But, like it mentions, this depends on when the sun goes down. So again, if you see a friend, a colleague, anyone that you know, or maybe someone that you don't know, after this time, you could say good evening. So as long as it's dark outside, more or less, or starting to get dark, you can say good evening. Now, this last one I've included, but it's not a greeting. So, good night. Good night. Good night is not used as a greeting. This is used as goodbye. But this doesn't mean that we can use it instead of goodbye. So we can't just say goodbye, good night to everyone instead of saying goodbye. This is usually going to be used for people that you know quite well, maybe a colleague, and maybe friends or family. And this is used to end a conversation. So if it's night and you're about to go home, and you finish the conversation, you could say then, well, I've got to get going now. See you tomorrow. Good night. Something like that. I don't say this so often to people other than you know, friends or family. But it depends on, your work times, etc. Anyway, so this is it for the first lesson on beginner phrases for saying hello and some greetings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and think about subscribing. I will be posting more beginner type videos shortly, so you can hopefully enjoy this series and learn some English with me. I've been English with Chris. Very nice seeing you here. Take care, enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now.